Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to stop the close bracket, open bracket or become a registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to stop the open bracket or close bracket or becoming a registered sign symbol on your document. So for an example, just going to type as open bracket or and close bracket or and clicking on the space, it automatically changes to a registered sign symbol. So how to avoid this? I just going to type again. Now after clicking the space, you just need to press on the option to undo, or you can also use Ctrl Z, the shortcut key, to undo. So this is the only way to avoid it's becoming off. After that, you typing into the document, you just copy this and paste wherever you want. It will on change to to the registered sign symbol. Now you just click it and just type whatever you want. So I think this video helped you a lot to stop the or becoming the registered sign symbol. And if it is useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word Web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.